Before we will see the concept of what is meant by rectangular coordinate system or the right hand coordinate system. This coordinate system be the basic coordinate system. Okay, in that concept we will see the some graphical analysis and as well as the cross product and the dot product, all of those things, right? Now let's move on to the continued concept for that rectangular coordinate system, that be the what will happen to the differential length and what will happen to the differential surface and what will happen to the differential volume. Okay, that's the things we have to be find out. That's our target. Here you can see this be the, you will be taken this be the some like an some rectangle like that. Okay, best thing you have to be taken some cube. Okay, I will be not expert in the diagram. Okay, whatever you have to be understood, the thing you have to be draw right. Okay, but the thing is, here you can see in the cube, for example, if you take this be the cube. Okay, this be the cube. Okay, I will be just draw this cube here. Okay, but somewhat bigger size. Here you can see in this cube, whatever the side you have to be see, this be the side you have to be see to the viewers, right? You have to be see this side, but you can't see this side, right? But you can't see this side. Okay, and here also whatever the side be here, this side be present and this side be present, and similarly and this upper side be present and this lower side be present, right, in this cube. Okay, here you can see this both be the two-dimensional, right? In the two-dimensional you can't see this, the depth of the image, right? You can't see the depth, only you can see this face only, but you can't see this face. Okay, so whenever you have to be study the EMTL subject, you must have to be see the all the faces. Okay, you can't see only the two-dimensional space. You must have to be see the subject in the three-dimensional way. Okay, then only you will just enjoy the subject. Here also you can see I will be taken this be the cube, I will be placed here. Okay, but my drawing skills, you can't see the exact shape of this cube, right? Okay, here you can see I will be taken okay, here you can see, here I will be taken this blue mark be the A point and this green mark be the B point. Okay, and this yellow mark be the C point and this green be the D. Okay, this green be the D. Okay, now what I have to do means, I just want to, here I will be taking this be the sum A and this be the sum B and this be the sum D and this be the sum C and this be the D. Okay, what my target be the, I just want to move from this A to this C. Okay, how you can move? Okay, we'll be taking another marker. How you can move? One chance that be the, I will just have to move from A to B and then I just have to move from B to C. This chance is possible. Okay, another chance, I just want to move from A to D and next I will be just to move from D to C, right? This chance is also possible. And similarly, if I just want to move from A to D, how you can move? If you want to move from A to B is possible and B to C is possible and C to D is possible, right? Or you can directly move A to, okay, this be the differential length. Okay, you can't take the full cube or the full rectangle, but you have to be taking this differential. Differential means small. Okay, differential means small. You can't take the full length, you must have to be take the small length. Okay, you have to be applied your rules there. Okay, why we are taking that small length means whenever we have to be getting some answer for the small length, okay, that be the differential length, then for that small length answer, whenever you have to be do the integration, that will become the total area. Okay, that's the beauty of this differential length. Okay, you must have to be concentrated on this thing. So same thing, uh, like this cube. Okay, I will place it here. Here you can see I just want to move from A to C. Okay, I just have to move from A to C. I will be taking another pen. Move from A to C. Okay, how you can move? The chance be the A to C, right? A to C, how you can move? A to B is possible. A to B is possible. Plus B to C is possible. Plus B to C is possible. Okay, next you can see here. Now what the thing you have to be do next means, here you can see this be the line, right? This AB be the line. This AB be the line. What will be the line parallel to which axis? That be the y-axis, right? That be the y-axis. Okay, here what will the answer? That will become the dy plus, here you can see what will happen to the BC. Okay, what will be the axis parallel to this BC? That be the z axis, right? For this BC, the parallel axis be the z axis, so that will become the DC plus DZ. Okay, and similarly, if you want to move from A to D, how you can move? If you want to move from A to D, how you can move? That be the A to B is possible, B to C is possible, C to D is possible. A to B is possible, B to C is possible, plus C to D, right? A to B, B to C, and C to D is possible. Okay. Oh, for this you already know, for AB that be the dy plus what will happen to the BC? That be the DG plus, here you can see, plus CD plus CD. Okay, for CD, here you can see AB from BC, A to B, B to C, C to D. Okay, right. For AB, parallel axis be the y, and for BC, the parallel axis be the z. From CD, that be the another axis. Okay, but you can't see with your bare eyes. Why? Because both is limited with our two-dimensional only. But that three-dimensional concept we get, that be in the z axis. Okay, here that be in the z axis. Okay, sorry, this be in the x axis, right? This be in the x axis. Okay, so if you want to add, for example, if you want to add some differential lengths, here if you want to add some unit vectors, what will happen? Here this will become the ay cap, and here if you want to apply the unit vector, that will become the az bar. Here if you want to, this be the origin. For this x axis, that will become the ax bar. Okay, here you can see, so this will become the dy ay bar plus dz az bar. Okay, and similarly this will become the dy ay bar plus dz az bar plus dx ax bar, whenever you have to be consider the unit vectors. Okay, this will become the ad. So here you can see our final answer, the differential length, that will be the a dx ax cap plus dy ay cap plus dz az cap. Okay, differential length that will be equal to dx ax bar plus dy ay bar plus dz az bar. This be your differential length. Okay, here also you can see, here I will be taking this cube, right? I will be taking this cube. Okay, my target be the, here listen carefully, my target be the, I just want to insert my pen into this cube. Okay, my pen into this cube. It is possible? In the practical way, it is not possible, right? So whenever we have to be forcefully inserted like this, it will be just to stop here only. Why? Because here there will be some sort of serious mass be present. Okay, some weight, some mass be present here, but you can't simply put this your pen into the cube. Okay, the possible way, if you want to possible to put the outside the pen, it is possible. 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 Here also, outside the pen is possible. Here also, outside the pen is possible. But whenever you can't insert our pen into the cube, right? We can't insert our pen into the cube. Similarly, what will happen means, here you can see, here you can see BSCQ. Okay, so I will be taken our cube here, I will be cube represented here. You can't insert our pen inside the cube, might be the chance of possibility that be the outside the cube. Outside the cube, what will be the possible resultant axis? Resultant axis be the, okay, this be the minus ax bar. Okay, here you can see, here my cube is presented here. You can't insert our pen into the cube, my pen is in the outside. Okay, this be in the opposite of y bar, y axis, right? This be in the opposite of y axis. Here you can observe one thing, my tip be here, but my axis be here like this. My axis is going like this, my pen is going like this. Okay, this will become the minus ay bar. Okay, and similarly you can see here, now what I have to be taken means, I will be taking the backside axis, this side. Okay, I will be taking this backside axis. Okay, you can't insert your pen inside the cube, but what you have to do, you have to be taking our pen outside. Okay, outside like this, but you can't insert it, right? So here also, this be our back axis, the possible way be the like this only, right? The possible be the way be the like this. Okay, outside, what will happen? Here you can see, we are converted this sorry, this be the z, right? Here you can see, we are covered the x, y as well as the z. What will be the remaining axis? That will be the x, right? Here you can see, my x axis be flowing like this, but my pen be in the outside. So this will become the minus ax bar. Okay, this was some simple concept based on the differential length. Okay, now what I have to do means, I will be taking the differential surface. What will happen to the differential surface? Here you can see differential surface means how you can find out the differential surface. For example, this be the cube. How you can find out the surface of this cube? First thing, what I have to do means I have to be taken. I will taken this be the one part away, and this be the one part away. Okay, and I will be taking another part like this. Okay, I will be just removing the parts. I will be just removing the each and part of in cube way different way. Okay, I will just removing it. First, I will be taking this part. I will be removing this part, remove this part, and remove this part, remove this part, and remove this back part, and as well as the remove this upper part also, and remove this lower part also. Okay, what I have to do is I just have to be taking the traces for that differential surface. Okay, here you can see. Here, if I want to remove this upper part, okay, if I want to remove this upper part, here you can see A, B, C as well as the D. Okay, A, B, C and D. How it will be flowing? It will be moved towards the arrow, my tip towards the arrow. Here you can see my tip, and here this be the same, right? My tip and this x-axis be the same. This arrow and my tip, my pen tip be the same. So here this be the AX bar. Okay. And if you want to take DCPQ, so this be the my first part. What I have to be taken means this be the D, right? This be the P, this be the P, this be the Q, and this be the C. Okay, I will be taking this part, upper part. I will be taking this upper part. Here, whenever I can't apply my pen to the towards the cube. Okay, I will be applied by towards the cube to the outside, right? This is the only chance of possibility. Here you can observe, whenever I will be applied my pen in the outside of this point here, this surface, here you can see my pen tip and z-axis is same, right? My pen tip and z-axis is same. My pen tip and z-axis is same, like that. Okay, my pen tip and arrow is same. My pen tip and arrow is same. Where it will be reaching? It will be reaching the z-axis. So this be the z-axis. This be the AZ bar. And similarly, if you want to take another surface, what will happen? If I want to take B, S, C and Q, I will be taking this surface. Okay, sorry, not axis, this be the surface. I will be taken B, S, C, Q. So here I will be taking this axis. Oh, sorry, this surface. Okay, this surface. I will be taking this surface. Here you can see this surface means I can't put my pen inside the cube. What will be the possible way? I will be put my pen outside, right? This is the possible way. Here you can see next target. What you have to do? You have to be chosen your.
What will happen? A, R, so this be the D and this be the P. Here you can see, here this be the A, R, P, Q. This be in the opposite to the Y, right? So this will become the minus A by bar. Minus A by bar. Okay, similarly, in this way you can take the each and every part. You have to do it like this. Okay. So if you want to do the differential surface, ds bar, that will be equal to, for example, if you take dy dz, what will be the remaining? This will be the ax bar or ax cap. Ax bar or ax cap. Similarly, if you want to take dx dy, this will be the ay, this will be the az bar. And similarly, if you take dz dx. The unit vector will be the ax bar. So you just have to apply the surface, right? You must have to apply the L into B rule. You already know this. So you have to be applied the L into B. You must have to be taken the two surfaces. Okay. Next concept will be the differential volume. What will happen to the differential volume? Differential volume. So differential volume will become the, you must have to be combined the all of those three differential axes. That will become the dx. So dv, that will be equal to dx dy dz. So this be your differential volume. Okay, in this way we can do the differential line and differential surface as well as the differential volume in the Cartesian coordinate system or the rectangular coordinate system. In the next class we will try to see the what will be the cylindrical coordinate system. Okay, thank you.